In this video, we're going to talk about Tango Tango contacts page. This is where you can manage your own list of users and do various functions with them, such as message them and do PTT calls to them. Let's get started. In this presentation, we're going to be looking at the contacts page, how to call contacts, and then the contact main menu page where you can get more information, perform other additional functions with contacts. So this is the contacts page. The main components of it are your list of users that's tailored for yourself. And then you also have the user status indicator on the left-hand side. This lets you see the status of each of your contacts. And you can also press the little eye icon to the right if you'd like to get additional information on each contact. You can call one or more contacts in your list. The way you do that is that you highlight the contact, and then once that's done, you hold the push to talk button and you talk to them. When the call is active, the type of call and the participants are displayed. If you want to end the call before it times out, you can slide the slider that's at the top of the screen to the right and you'll end the call and get out of the call. You can create an ad hoc call by highlighting multiple contacts and then pressing PTT, as you see here. To get additional information on each contact, press the eye icon. When you do, you'll get a contact menu that provides you information about the contact and some other links, such as the ability to make an alert call, to send them a message, to show them on the map. You can also search for and add a user to your contact list. To do this, press the plus icon that's at the top of the contact list. You can then start typing in the name of the contact, the username, and hit search. When you do, a list of available contacts that meets your search criterion will come up, and you can highlight one, click on it. And as you can see, the new user is added to the contact list. So that's it. That's the real simple way to manage contacts and how to use the contact list in Tango Tango.